2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, tow hitch, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, keyless start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.